Meet the American redstart, the tiny bird that hunts bugs using flashbang tactics. Those bright orange patches aren't just for style. This guy flashes his tail and wings to startle insects into moving. Once the bug twitches, boom, redstart goes full ninja and snatches it midair. You'll spot them low to the ground during migration, especially here in Manitoba. Males are jet black with fire orange highlights. Females swap the orange for yellow. So if you see a tiny bird flicking its tail like it's trying to get your attention, it's not flirting, it's hunting. Subscribe for more wildlife moments from right here in Manitoba.